This city is sinking 2 millimeters every year. By 2100, parts of Venice forever. Sophia came to see it.
Today, 5 Venice words: canal, gondola, bridge, lagoon, and I want to tell you this city is precious. Let us see it together. The train is crossing the water. Venice is ahead. I can see the bell tower. It looks like the city is floating, like it grew from the sea.
I walked out of the train station and there is water. There is no road, just water. There are no cars in Venice.
These walls, they are so old. But I can see where the water reached. There is a line on the wall from the flooding. This line on the wall, the water reached here. The sea came into the city. Every year the water comes higher. Every year this line moves up a little more.
Buongiorno, good morning. You want a gondola? I am Marco, best gondolier in Venice, no in Italy, no in the world.
In the world, that is a big statement, Marco.
I have been a gondolier. Marco is the best.
Benvenuta! Take my hand.
Thank you.
Welcome to Marco's Gondola. Sit comfortably. We go through the most beautiful canals in Venice.
The gondola is so low in the water, I can almost touch the canal.
The walls are so close, and everything is reflected in the water.
Venice has 177 canals, each one different, each one beautiful.
This palazzo, Cadoro, the golden house, built in 1420, 600 years old.
Oh dear.
Venice builds to last. But the water is patient, it waits. O sole mio, stan fronte a te. O sole mio.
You are singing opera in the middle of the canal.
This is Venice. Every gondola should have music. I am the music. You see, best gondolier in the world, I told you.
You surprised me. I was not expecting opera in a canal at 9 in the morning.
Venice surprises you, always, every corner. The Bridge of Sighs, do you know the story?
Sighs? Why is it called the Bridge of Sighs?
Prisoners crossed bridge from Morton the Court to the Prindos, the last view of beautiful Venice, and they sighed.
They looked through this small window and saw Venice one last time. Even a window in a prison, if it shows Venice, it shows something beautiful.
My grandfather was a gondolier. My father was a gondolier.
Is your son a gondolier too?
He is studying engineering in Milan. He wants to help save Venice.
Is it true that Venice is sinking?
Every Venetian worries. But Venetians, we do not give up. Never.
Head down! Head down!
Ha! 32 years and I never hit a head. My record is
Perfect. That was very close. Wow. This is incredible.
the Grand Canal, the most beautiful street in the world. But ours is made of water.
You are the best gondolier in the world.
Ha! Venice will be here. We will fight for it. Every Venetian. Every day.
Oh, this is extraordinary. I have seen photos, but photos cannot show this. The gold. The whole top is gold mosaic. 1,000 years old and still shining.
The ceiling is completely gold. I am standing under gold. This took 100 years to build. The people who started this never saw it finished.
The square is flooding. The sea came into the piazza. In the daytime.
I am walking on a platform above the flood. This is normal life for Venice. This happens more than 100 times every year now. More every year.
Line 1, Grand Canal.
Every stop, every palazzo.
The slow way is the best way in Venice. Is there a fast way in Venice?
Look at the buildings. The lower floors are always in water. The water never leaves.
The water is Venice's life. The same water for 1,000 years.
Venice looks so small from here. So much history on one small island.
Small but full of memory and art. Everything beautiful stays here.
Murano glass everywhere. Every color, every shape. The whole island is glass. How?
Come in. Please be careful of the furnace.
It is 1,1200 every day?
My family has worked beside this furnace for 400 years. Watch. You must keep turning.
Or the glass is glowing orange, like liquid fire.
It is liquid. For 30 seconds, the moment decides. 40 years I have made this horse. every day. Each one different. The legs are thin.
The legs are so thin.
My son lives in Milan, my daughter in New York.
That is very sad, Signora Elena.
But while I am here, it lives. Take this, so you remember that beautiful...
I will keep this forever, Signora Elena.
Now go and enjoy Venice, before the water comes higher today.
Come in, everyone is hungry in Venice.
The canals make you hungry?
Absolutely. Sea air, fresh air. Try a fritola. Fritola, the traditional Venice pastry, carnival food.
500 years old, this recipe. 500 years.
And still the same recipe? Why change perfection? Take a bite.
Oh, warm and sweet. Luca, I want 5 more.
Yes! 500 years of happiness in one small ball.
I am drinking an orange drink beside a Venice canal. This is exactly what I imagined. And the water is right there. I could touch it from my chair. I am lost. I am completely lost. In Venice, getting lost is not a problem. It is the adventure. A secret garden! In the middle of the city! Hidden here between the buildings, getting lost found me something beautiful. This cat, he has probably lived here his whole life. In this small courtyard, in this beautiful city, he has the best life in the world, and he does not even know it.
The Rialto, the most famous bridge in Venice. I am standing on 500-year-old stone. In both directions dawn, nothing but ancient palaces on the water. Like a dream that is 1,000 years old.
This is the real Venice, not the tourist piazzas. Real people, real life, real city. These people, they live here. They go to school here, they grow old here, on water.
Cicchetti, small plates, like Venice tapas.
Exactly. In Venice, we stand at the bar and eat small things and drink small wine. This is called Baccaro Tour. Move from bar to bar.
That sounds amazing. Bacala salt cod, like fish, but it is creamy.
We beat it for hours with oil until it becomes cream. Venice food magic.
Fish cream, that sounds impossible, but it tastes incredible.
I can see everything from here. St. Mark's, the lagoon, the whole city on the water.
The light is changing. Everything is becoming gold. The buildings, the water, the sky. This is why they called it Venice the Golden. At this hour, it really is golden. All of it.
Marco, yes, now I understand why you never leave.
Sophia, you see, this is why we stay. This light, every evening.
Il sole mio sta in fronte a te.
Every evening, Venice says thank you for staying. And this is how it says it.
This is the most beautiful city in the world, and it is disappearing. I understand now why people fight to save it. Some things are too beautiful to lose. A glass bead from a woman whose family made glass for 400 years. A city that has stood in the water for 1,000 years. Both beautiful, both fragile, both still here.
Venice at night is quieter. The tourists go home. And Venice breathes.
Goodbye, Venice. I came because you are sinking. I am leaving because you are beautiful. I hope the water is kind to you. I hope people are kinder. I hope you are here for 1,000 more years.
Still there. Still beautiful. Still floating. Still fighting. Let us review today's Venice words. Slowly, carefully, like Venice itself, rao, never rush. Ready? Canal. A canal is a water path through a city. Venice has 177 canals. Canal, canal. Say it slowly. Canal. A gondola. A gondola is a traditional Venice boat. Black, beautiful. The gondolier stands and rows. Lagoon. A lagoon is a shallow body of water separated from the sea. Venice is built on a lagoon. 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 Say it. Lagoon. Fragile. Fragile means easy to break or damage. Venice is fragile al. The water rises every year. Ancient. Ancient means very, very old. St. Mark's Basilica is ancient, called 1,000 years old. Venice is ancient. Italian phrase, bellissimo. It means most beautiful. When you see Venice out, say this, Simo, bellissimo.
Venice, canal, gondola, lagoon. The most taught me something today. Tell me in the comments, did you know Venice is sinking? See you in the next video.